Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how can you use two WhatsApp in one phone. Actually WhatsApp is very important for communication with each other, and we need more WhatsApp account and we need to use it in one phone, right? So don't worry, today in this video I'll show you two kinds of easy way. So if you follow this, that time you can create 2 or 3 WhatsApp on your phone. So before starting, I'll ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give also like that video. So let's start. So here you can see I have already 2 WhatsApp, right? So let me show you how can you do it. But first of all, I wanna uninstall it and go to your original WhatsApp and go to the 3 dot line. Wait please. And go to the 3 dot line and go to the setting option and go to the account. First of all, you will have to make sure you got chat backup on your phone. Go to the chat option and here you can see the chat backup. So just click on it and click on the backup option and you will backup your original WhatsApp chat history. So wait please. So after doing that, get back again and go to the Play Store and make sure your WhatsApp is just updated. So let me show you. Here you can see I don't have the update WhatsApp, so let me update it. So after updating your WhatsApp, get back again and press your original WhatsApp. Just press it for 2 or 3 seconds and here you can see one kind of option, install second app. So just click on the install second app option and click on the install option and you will get 2 kinds of WhatsApp on your phone. This is the first process, so wait please. So here you can see I have got the second WhatsApp on my phone. So let me open it and click on the agree and continue option and give your another phone number to make another WhatsApp account. Sorry, actually I have low storage, so that's why it shows the problem. And see, here you got your phone number option. So just give your another phone number and create another WhatsApp account with the same phone. So that's the first process, and if it doesn't work on your phone, so there is no worry, because there is another way to create dual WhatsApp on your phone. But for that you will have to need one kind of software, which is Parallel Space. You can find it from Play Store. So let me show you. Just search into the search box Parallel Space. Here you can see Parallel Space in the first position. Just install these apps on your phone and after installing, click on the open icon and give all kinds of permission the app asked. And here you can see the clone apps option. So just uncheck all of this and check the WhatsApp account, and here you can see add to parallel space 1. I mean you can use 5 parallel space, I mean you can create. So just click on the add to parallel space. I mean your WhatsApp software will create it for dual. And here you can see the WhatsApp, and there is one problem with that parallel space. Let me show you. If you use the first way, that time you can use the WhatsApp to WhatsApp in the home screen or in the apps icon or in the apps store. But if you use the parallel space to create the WhatsApp, that time if you wanna use the WhatsApp, that time you will have to go to the parallel space and go to the WhatsApp option, and here you can see the WhatsApp. So just click on the WhatsApp and you will get the phone number option for creating the WhatsApp. Just click on the go to allow option, and by this process you can use 2 or 3 WhatsApp. I mean 3 WhatsApp, because here you can see one WhatsApp in parallel space and another 2 WhatsApp in other side. So by this process you can create 2 or 3 WhatsApp on your one phone. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you face any kinds of problem then please let me know. I'll try my best to help you. Thanks. Do like, give comment and do subscribe. Thanks.